Hello, dear customer. So this is Ivan from PRQ company. Today we are loading the container, so you can see it. And our technician will use the forklift to lift the container. And this was a machine order. And all about this is the zipper and slider and some raw material for zipper and slider. Okay, so follow my video. We need it. So as you can see about the machine, we also we use the wooden box to packing this machine, and the edge machine we will arrange the layout in advance, so we ensure to full use of the space, and then we can ensure the safety transportation. So you can see now we are workers and my colleagues. We load the wooden box together and we'll move in the right space. So you can take a close look at me. Okay, so my friend, if you want to save your labor cost, if you want to buy the machine without the zipper and slider, so we can help you to lower your cost and help you improve your efficiency. So and also we will keep all the transportation all in safety. So if you are interested in our company and want to know which product we sell, please to contact us. Thank you.
Yeah.